Okay, boys and girls, Vincent from Zurich, Switzerland. I'm actually on a boat, and we have a boat tour on the Lake of Zurich, in German called Zurich Sea. And all you see there is downtown Zurich. We're just leaving the dock. Oh yeah, it's over there. It's the dock. I just embarked on this boat. It's about 1 hour long. Give you a tour of city of Zurich and also all the small town along the lake as well. And this is one of the major attractions in Zurich, Switzerland. Sunny day on the 9th, actually 10th today, 10th of June 2018.
Die Rundfahrt dauert 1,5 Stunden. Wir wünschen Ihnen viel Vergnügen auf dem Zürichsee. Ladies and gentlemen, the captain and the crew would like to welcome you on board a short round trip to town the area and back to Zurich.
Over there, the city of Zurich. Let me zoom over a little bit here to get a better view. Downtown Zurich. Hallelujah. Nice day in Zurich today. On the way to Moscow, Russia tomorrow. Oh, a couple on the lake. Ooh, and sunny day and warm day, all the Zurich people come out on the lake. And this a leisure boat, leisure canoe. Oh, here we go. I don't see the fishing here. Probably fishing is not allowed. So Lake Geneva's better known. Nobody knows. It's in Zurich also have a lake within the city limit. Okay, ciao from Zurich, Switzerland. Another day. Bye bye.